plan that could help give you night after night of deep, refreshing sleep. The 1 week insomnia cure plus free sleep diary inside tomorrow's Daily Mail.
Tonight. It's time to burn. Get ready for the launch.
I love trance from Ministry of Sound. Everything's reduced in the Furniture Village winter sale. Hurry, many offers end Sunday.
This is Dave. This Valentine's Day, Dave went to Aldi, where he got premium pink champagne, this hand-finished card, and this 30-day matured sirloin steak. So now Dave's not just Dave. Dave's on fire. Aldi, every day amazing.
We're down to the wire.
You know, we've got no spaces left.
Did we make a mistake?
Can we get the girl back?
Can we bring her out? I'd rather not see it.
The Voice, tomorrow at 8 on ITV.
Mr. Alexander, I have a feeling we're not in Weatherfield anymore.
Barlow's Solicitors. We set the bar high, we keep the fees low.
Oh! You see, I love a naff slogan as much as the next guy, but don't you think you're a